Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be combining two pumpkins again. These two are another pair from my garden. They're starting to go a little bit, so I gotta get them done now. I don't know why I was suddenly Western, but anyway. So what I'm going to be doing with these two is I'm going to be turning the one into a pair of wings for the other. I hope this works, because I'm not sure what to do if it doesn't. Hee hee. My hands hurt today. I think I'm carving too many pumpkins. Alright, let's get to it.
For this one, I'm going to need wooden skewers for the wings, a bucket for seeds, scraping out tools, cutting tools and a washable marker, a bowl to put the guts in, which already has guts. I'm going to start by sketching out a very simple bat face for my main body pumpkin. Then I'm going to take my damaged pumpkin, and I'm going to sketch me out some wings. And I'm going to be very careful not to draw two left wings or two right wings, because I almost did that the first time, and I don't have another pumpkin to make another wing with. Sketch on your basic bat shape the length of the wing, so that's going to make it stand out rather than curve around. But whatever you want for your bat. Then cut it out. I basically had to dismember this pumpkin to get my wings apart in one piece. Save my seeds for the winter for the birds, or for pumpkin seeds for yourself. I'm not going to judge. Alright, so you get your two wing shapes. You're going to start thinning them out. I only got wooden skewers to make this work, so I can't have them too heavy or they won't hold. So I'm just going to take my knife and start thinning them out. Had I thought about it more, I would have left the base of the wings thicker, where it attaches to the other pumpkin, just for stability for the wooden skewers I'm going to use. I kind of made it too thin. Open up and hollow out your bat pumpkin body. And carve your little facey. I put more curvy fangs on him, sort of like a little vampire bat. The eyes aren't even, so I had to do a little bit of extra carving just to make him a little bit more. And to attach the wings, made sure they were roughly the same size. I cut them at a little bit of a curve of the pumpkin, and I stuck some skewers in the pumpkin. Snapped them off for about a ½ inch, and then impaled the wings upon them, or at least I tried to. Then I took another skewer and I skewered it right down through the wing into the body. I took a pair of pliers and snapped them off so they were short. Oh yes, and while I was hollowing up the big pumpkin, I accidentally snapped the top off. Oopsie! Off camera, I cut 2 slits on either side of the bat's head, right in front of the wings to allow light through to illuminate the wings from the candle. I hope. And there he is! One bat pumpkin. I couldn't see any of my spider legs in the dark, so I thought this would help for the bat. Seems to work just fine.
Ta-da! Isn't he cute? He's not very stable, so... And I know his wings are probably going to fall off by the morning, but I think he came out pretty cute. Batty, 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 1, 2, 3, batty, 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 batty. Oh, I'm actually very happy. I'm surprised I actually got the wings to do what I wanted with them, so definitely could probably attach them a bit better, but at the moment this is all I can think of. If you want this for Halloween, I'd recommend probably carving it the night before Halloween, just because I don't imagine these holding up very long. I imagine if I had like longer skewers through them maybe, just to keep more support. Alright, that's my second pumpkin today, so I'm pretty much done. Alright, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye! I'm really tired.